Good morning, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is it's March 8th, 2021. Let's look at Tesla stock. What did Tesla do today? I'm not a financial advisor. I just do technical analysis for fun. So take it with a grain of salt and do your own research. So Tesla, what's happening with Tesla today? So basically, Tesla closed at 563 today, down 34.95, down 5%. So Tesla is continuing its descent. And post-market, Tesla is at 560. So no amount of purchasing of shares by Cathie Wood or other people that are buying the dip is changing anything. The stock is really dropping. So if we take a look at it on the chart here, we see that last Friday, Tesla touched this support line within its downward channel. It touched this support line, and that was exactly also on the other support that we had here. And I thought that since Tesla had touched this downward support line, that it would be going on the other side, but that's not what it did. So it seems like only touching it briefly during the day was not enough. It seems like Tesla is really going further down. I want to touch about two things here. When the stock is in a downtrend, you should not buy it long. You should wait until the downtrend is over. What you can do is that you can short the stock. So a stock within a downtrend channel tends to touch one side, then go to the other side. Like here on January 28th, we touched this side of the channel, then it's going to go touch this other side. So when it's at the upper side of the downward channel, this is where you can theoretically try to short it. So you can buy a put option to short it. But if you had done so, the strategy would be to sell or get out of the put option once the stock reaches the other side. So this would have meant here that you could have sold or bought a put here. And a put means that you will make money when the stock goes down. This is one type of option. So buying a put here would have meant that you could have sold it when it touched here on the other side. So you could have made some money here. And then the stock went into a triangle and almost touched, because sometimes it's not perfectly a touch. So you could have bought another put here and held it until either this touch here or held it a little bit longer to see what would be happening. But you should not really buy the stock, because if you had bought it when it was on the other side of the channel, like here on January 29th, if you had bought it here on January 29th, you could have sold it here. So just a little bit of gain. You could have bought it here again, but sold it approximately here for just a little bit of gain. So it's really hard to make gains when buying a stock when it's in a down channel. So basically, what I will be doing is that I will wait. I'm trying to draw here. I will wait until Tesla breaches this resistance line. I thought this would be pretty, but this is ugly. So I'm going to wait until Tesla breaches this upper line here, along with some confirmation from the indicators. And speaking of indicators, let's look at them. Stochastic, still under 20. When it's under 20, never buy a stock, because it's not going to do anything. Sometimes you can buy a stock when the stochastic goes above 20. This is seen as a buy signal, a very risky buy signal, but still, I prefer to wait until stochastic goes to 50, 70, or even higher. MACD still going down as ever. The DMI still impacted by this wick on Friday and this error. This wick on top of the candle on March 4th, I think, is an error of a trading view because the stock did not go up that much during the day. So, but these wicks have been impacting the DMI, the directional moving average that I'm looking at here. But still, it shows that we are still in a downtrend with the red line above the green line. So, still not time to buy Tesla yet. I was expecting maybe Tesla to maybe hold on the 600 point because it closed last Friday at 597. So it could have hinged it up a little bit and maintained 600. It's not maintaining it a lot at all. So the next possible lows for a Tesla is approximately here at 540 or even lower within the channel again, but hitting that first level support maybe at 490. So maybe this is where Tesla might go back down to and then start to recover. And another note, with technical analysis, we never can anticipate the lowest low. We anticipate changes in trends, and once a stock changes trend, it has recovered a little bit over the low before we are going to buy it. But that's fine. We are here to make money, not to find the lowest low and the highest high. We are there to make money consistently, even though we lose a little bit on the top, we lose a little bit on the bottom, but we never buy within a downtrend, and we never buy the dip blindly like so many people are doing. So I am sad for them. They are losing money because stock is going down. You should not buy a stock when it goes down. This is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. So make your own research, do your own decision. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Leave me your comments if you agree with me or disagree with me. I'm not the best technical analysis guy, and I'm far from the worst. We can all learn together. So have a good evening, and we'll talk tomorrow.